Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this relaxing evening yoga for beginners. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, just walk your hands along in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat, really breathing into the back body as well as the hips here. And on your next exhale, let's shift forward. We'll come into a high cobra. So let's stack the hands underneath the shoulders, extend the legs along behind you, keeping your core slightly engaged here. Just pushing yourself up, really opening up the heart, opening up the chest. And exhale, let's curl the toes, shift the hips up, coming into downward facing dog. And let's keep our fingers spread wide here. Hands are actively pushing into the mat, and then feel free to pedal out the feet, really breathing into the back of the legs, calves, the hamstrings. And then when you're ready, let's just find a nice neutral position here. We'll hang out here for a couple breaths. And exhale, let's lower the knees down and let's come into all fours. So again, let's stack our hands underneath the shoulders, fingers are spread wide. And now let's stack the knees right underneath the hips. Tops of the feet are pushing into the mat. And then in the hands, almost pretend like you're opening up a pickle jar. So you should feel a nice little engagement up in that tricep area. Once we have this nice foundation, we'll do a few rounds of cat-cow here. So on your next inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine, really moving with your breath. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Let's do that one more time, moving with your breath. Awesome job. Now from here, just come back to all fours. And now from here, let's extend the right leg along behind us. And just simply, mindfully rock up and down, feeling a nice stretch in that right leg. Then when you're ready, let's step this right foot over the left. Look back over your left shoulder, back at that right foot. Take a breath. Exhale, come back to center. We'll take that over to the other side, extending that left leg along behind you, mindfully rocking up and down. And now let's step that left foot over the right, look back over the right shoulder, take a breath. Exhale, come back to center. Awesome job, you guys. Now from here, let's come into a puppy pose. So keeping the hips stacked over the knees, so keeping the bottom half of our body exactly where it is, simply walk your hands out in front of you like you did in child's pose, and then melt it forward. And on your next exhale, shift forward, coming onto your stomachs. We'll come into a Sphinx pose. So let's stack the forearms in front of us, elbows right underneath the shoulders. Again, opening up your chest here, just coming back to your breath. And exhale, mindfully release. Awesome job. Now from here, let's make our way onto our bums. We'll come into a seated forward fold. So let's extend the legs out long in front of us, keeping the legs together, keeping the feet flexed towards you. On your next inhale, bring your hands up towards the sky. Exhale, melt it forward, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can't, that's okay. You can just let your hands rest where they naturally fall. Again, in this pose, really breathing into the back of the legs. And exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. Awesome job. Now from here, let's make our way onto our backs. And once you get there, let's bring our knees into our chest, wrap your arms around your legs, give yourselves a nice big hug. Feel free to rock side to side here if that feels nice. And now from here, we'll come into a supine twist. So let's keep this right knee hugged into our chest. Extend this left leg out long. And then when you're ready, let's guide this right knee over to the left side. Your right arm can come into a T or a cactus. In this supine twist, really make sure to keep both shoulders firmly rooted in the mat. So if the right shoulder is coming up off the mat like this, that means you've gone too far. Simply just dial it back. Feel a nice stretch on that right side body. And exhale, mindfully come back to center. We'll take that over to the other side. So extending that right leg long, hugging the left knee into the chest. And when you're ready, guiding this left knee over to the right. Again, your left arm can come into a T or a cactus. And make sure to keep this left shoulder firmly rooted in the mat. So if the left shoulder is coming up off the mat, simply just dial it back. And exhale, come back to center. Awesome job. Now from here, let's plant the soles of the feet in the mats, keeping the legs nice and parallel with each other. We'll come into a bridge pose. So as we come into this bridge pose, keep the legs nice and straight. You don't want them coming out wide. You want them side by side. So on your next inhale, let's lift the hips up towards the sky. Shimmer the shoulders underneath you, clasping the hands together. Breathing here. And on your next inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Come up onto the tiptoes. Exhale, slowly lower the spine back to the mat. And we'll take a constructive rest. So let's bring the feet as wide as the mat, letting the knees knock in towards each other. One hand can rest on your belly, the other one on your heart. And exhale, release. Now let's come into a reclined butterfly pose, one of my favorite hip openers. So simply just bring the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide, just letting the hips open up naturally here. You can keep the hands where they were, one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart, or you can just let them rest by your sides. I encourage you to close your eyes here. And on your next exhale, let's extend the legs out long, coming into final Shavasana, letting the mind and the body reap all the benefits from this short practice. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up, coming into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our hearts. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you like this kind of video, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.